So good afternoon, my dear students. Today, one of the important topic in the unit number 3, software quality. Software quality management. Yes, quality is a word which is depend on a pureness. The quality will be scaling by the people when they have to follow the good methods. When they are follow the sufficient methods, when they are follow the sufficient principles. Means in the software development also, when the developer will be followed the suitable requirements, suitable principles to design the project. So suitable principles will be helping to get a suitable project, suitable result. So what we have to follow the goodness, also getting the good result. Is clear now? So in the software quality also, when the developer or software programmer will be applied the sufficient components, sufficient principles to make a good project is called quality. Application of good principles, application of sufficient principles, application of sufficient methods, sufficient design formats. This kind of activity is called as quality. For examination purpose, we can define like this. As per my knowledge, I have to prepare my definition. Software quality is the process to check whether how much goodness or quality in a product. మన ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో ఎంతవరకు క్వాలిటీ ఉంది, ఎంతవరకు గుడ్నెస్ ఉంది. This kind of check verification or checking, the process is called as software quality. It is a collection of methods. Software quality is called collection of methods which are used to check the quality in the software development through requirements by the developers. Understand? We want good requirements to design the good project. We want good requirements to design good system software. It is a collection of methods which are used to check the quality in the software development through requirements by the developers. The main purpose of software quality is to ensure that software products. Why these products are there? These products are properly developed or properly maintained or not. So, good maintenance is a part of quality. Application of requirements of the software into the development is the part of quality. So basically, this quality will be depend on 3 kind of C's. Number 1, consistency. Number 2, completeness. Number 3, correctness. When we have to make one kind of consistency in the product, we can examine this is a good quality product. When we have to make a completeness without errors, it is a good quality. Without drawbacks in the product, it is called good product. It is called completeness. So completeness is a factor to scaling or measuring, avoiding the errors, purity, avoiding the drawbacks, purity, avoiding the viruses, purity, avoiding the malware is a purity. Purity is called quality. correctness. When we should follow the good principles, suitable principles to design the software. It is called correctness. Means what? In the last classes, I told every software design will be depend on good information. When there is no sufficient information, automatically we are facing some kind of problems. But I am taking a correctness means what? When you are scaling, when you are measuring the correct information required, that information may be helping to give a good result. Method by method, step by step, phase by phase, we can simply flowing the information, apply the information, implement the information, and maintain the information. At last, you got the good result without failures. It is a part of correctness. But anyway, these three C's are helping so much to design the software, to implement the system software. Consistency required. Completeness required. Correctness is required. Sir, I want to get good education. Quality education means what? Every institute will be follow these three C's. Consistency. When the teachers have fully qualified, fully experienced, is called consistency. Completeness. Those who are maintain the syllabus day by day, time by time, that is called completeness. Correctness. So the information between the student and teacher will be flowing regularly. That information may be helping to write the examination properly. It is called correctness. Somebody, regular students will be follow the teacher information. Irregular students will be follow their information. Their information what? Guides, materials, others materials, other college materials. That time they are facing the problem. There is no communication between the teacher and subject and you. How it is possible to get a good subject? We can't. Means what? There is no quality in the education. It is not possible to guess the good marks in the examination point of view. Every teacher, every student must and should follow these three C's. Consistency compulsory. Completeness compulsory. Correctness is compulsory. If you don't know any information, just you learn, just you gather the information, then flow, then reproduce. That is a correctness. So anyway, so every software quality will be measured by these three kind of C's. Software quality management provides the required level or percentage of quality through applied by submitting improvements to the project development process. So you should apply the required level or percentage of quality through applied by submitting improvements. You should apply some kind of more features. For example, today you are simply gather this information. It is enough? No. So based on this information, if you follow other information for understanding, for realizing, it is called quality. Means the existing information will be built by the user through additional information. It is a part of quality. SQA means system software quality assurance aims. That is also having one kind of aims is there. To everyone should take the responsibility to increase the quality in software design for software development. Once you put a step in the system development or software development means what? First of all, you have to gather the valuable information about the subject. That is called quality. So basic knowledge is very important. Foundation of the information is very important. The information gathering is important. Implementing the information, maintaining the information, and designing the information. These are very important factors to scaling or measuring how much quality in that project. Then here I am giving the 3 activities are there, very important in the future interviews. Activities of software quality management will be depend on 3 activities: quality assurance, quality planning, quality control. So quality means what? One word: standard. How much standard you follow? Standard will be depend on principles. Standard is depend on requirements. Means quality assurance will be scaling by the particular procedures and standards. I am writing here. Quality assurance aims to developing organizational procedures and standards for quality at organizational level. When you should follow the good procedure, good standards, you should maintain the good quality. In the system development, in software development also, every developer will be followed these procedures and standards. But these procedures and standards will be taken by the requirements. Requirements taken by the components. That kind of information. So, quality planning. Select applicable procedures. So, C software only for C programming. AutoCAD only for designing purpose and manufacturing purpose. Java software only for prepare the Java programs. Means the project or software development will be depend on whatever you required software. That like you only you planning the applicable principles and procedures and standards. So quality has to provide the one kind of planning, quality planning. Select applicable procedures and standards for particular project and modify as required to develop a quality plan. So planning is very important factors there. Good plan make a good result antar kadandi, like that imagination is there. And quality control. The software development team to produce quality products through are followed by best practices and standards always. So you should follow this kind of method, this kind of process. When you should apply the suitable process, suitable methods to the concerned information to make good result, it is a part of quality control. I am writing here. The software development team to produce quality products through or followed by best practices. Once you design one software, for example, by the help of the software, you can simply plan another additional software through the help of these features. Means like a what is called like a chain letter under. So when you start the principles for resulting, then again come to the back same result for the next software design. But these 3 are very good activities which are taken by the quality management or software quality management. Then here, one of the important short type question make next examination low Rabotuna question and so 99.9% chance in the examination point of view question. So please put a maximum focus on this question. It carries short answer question. Elements of software quality assurance. As per my knowledge, I have to prepare here. Elements are classified into mainly 5 categories like a portability, usability, reusability, correctness, and maintainability. You can read as software quality assurance is acting as a portability, usability, reusability, correctness, and maintenance. I am writing here, portable means what? We can accessing anywhere. We can implement anywhere. We can flowing anywhere. We represent anywhere. This kind of activity is called as a portability. Sir, I want to see one movie. Yes, in mobile is possible. In desktop is possible. In computer is possible. In TV is possible. In theater also possible. Means one movie will be accessed by the user into multi ways. One object will be taken by the user into multi ways is called portability. Is called portability. So software quality also provides the one portability. So manaki manchi quality ravali ante you can follow number of methods, number of interfaces. For example, today examination I am giving the question is elements of software quality assurance. Some people are follow my material. Some people are follow the other college material. Some people are follow the like a Google search. Nothing but one topic will be accessed by the users into different ways. It is called portability. At meaning enti mana kavalsina information ekkada chuskochu. It is a portability. అలాంటప్పుడు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలప్మెంట్ లో కూడా మన సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలప్ చేయాలంటే మన డిఫరెంట్ స్టేజెస్ లో ఎక్కడ కరెక్షన్ ఉందో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళేసి మనకు కావాల్సిన రెక్టిఫై చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ రావడమే. సో వేర్ ద ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ ఆర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ బై యూ దట్ సింప్లీ గో టు దేర్ అండ్ rectify the problem, then again come to sequentially. Then you find out again drawback, come to second stage. You can find out the drawback in third stage. Again go to back, take the rectification, then come to proceed, like imagination. I am writing here. A software device is used to be portable. Any software, if it can be freely made to work in various operating system environments. For example, software is only for this people only. For example, only Tara college students. Any meaning is there, ma? C software is only for Tara college students. Any meaning is there? No. So we want to implement more means what? All the people will be utilize the software. Alanti implementation manaki software quality is. Means what? The software will be provided to the multi people, many people. I am writing here. If it can be freely made to work in various operating systems or environments in multiple machines with other software products. So when we are providing the portability to the all, they can access, they can design, they can implement number of. Usability. A software product has better usability if various categories of users can easily invoke the functions of the product. A software product has better usability. So, vinyoginchukodamandi. How much will be utilized by the user, that only spreading to the multi ways. Now, software is not only for one member, not only two members. So we can make a lot of software. అంతే కదండి. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎంతమంది వినియోగించుకుంటే అందులో ఉన్నటువంటి మెరిట్స్ కానివ్వండి, డిమెరిట్స్ కానీ బయటపడతాయి. One person will be utilize the software means up to one person only having the problems. For example, if feels there is no errors means no errors. Same software will be taken by the multi people. Yes. In the multi people, somebody is raising the hand. Here is some problem is there. So depend on that usability, we can make the good quality in the software. I am writing here, a software product has better usability if various categories of users can easily invoke the functions of the product. Reusability. So by using C software, you can make a C++ software. So by using the one software, we can design the advanced software for the future purpose. So reusability. A software product has excellent reusability if different modules of the product can be quickly be reused to develop the new products. For example, in the softwares, we have the C, C++, C/, C prompt, for example. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఇవన్నిటి కూడా ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కావాలి ఏంటంటే సి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కావాలి. So by using one softwares, we can add some more modules, more procedures that make a good softwares, good quality softwares. That is called reusability and goes to correctness. A software product is correct if various requirements as specified in the SRS, System Requirement Software. Software requirement system document have been correctly implemented. A software product is correct. When you scaling this call correct is there, if you various requirements will be applied. అందుకే చెప్పారండి every software design will be designed depend on blueprint. Blueprint is depend on information. Information depend on requirements. Requirements depend on components. This is called like a relation, a method. This method follow. When you should apply the good requirements, I am writing here. A software product is correct if various requirements as specified in the system requirement software document have been correctly implemented. Maintainability is one of the good element of the quality. Why? Because a software product is maintainable if bugs can be easily corrected as and when they show up. Bugs means what? When we are getting the failures. If failures మనకు తెలియాలంటే, if you want to know the failures, when you can utilize the many people, many experts, they can find out the where the failure is there. That like you simply go to there, rectify the failure, then again utilization. A software product is maintainable if bugs can be easily corrected. Errors will be easily corrected as and when they show up. New tasks can be easily added to the product. For example, the problem is not rectified, then you follow new method to rectify the problem. The new application, new task is a mandatory when we should apply to make the correction of the drawbacked information. And the functionalities of the product, relations compulsory, can easily modify. If you want modify, if you want implemented, if you want maintained, automatically we can simply apply this requirement and relations and with components. So these are called as some elements of the software quality. So I hope you got some valuable information from this class then. So please take a lot of reviews to realize. So after you realize freely and happily, then start this writing with learn and write process. మీరు చదువుతూ అర్థం చేసుకుంటూ రాశారనుకోండి, అది it is part of the review or revision, may be helping to write some more in the examination point of view is there. But compulsory question. సిస్టమ్ క్వాలిటీ కానివ్వండి, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ క్వాలిటీ వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సిస్టమ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ క్వాలిటీస్ కంపల్సరీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్. ప్లీజ్ పుట్ ఎ maximum focus on this question, may be helping to write some more. Clear?